Hi, I'm Seth Halstead, and this is Real Estate Ops. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Today is February 1st, 2023. I had a chance to go and tour National Home Builders, which is here in Mont Belvieu. It's a little smaller, it seems, than the other home builders that are around here. The Lennars, the Cahos, the DR Hortons. But it is here. And the house that I went in was really nice. It was called the Morgan. It's 2597, so just under 2,600 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It had a beautiful kitchen, and the closets are crazy big. And they have some high-end stuff in the closets for sure. I know all you ladies would love those high-end closets. So it was a beautiful house, and this was the model that I toured. They do have one that's getting ready to become available that's right across the street from the model. I believe it's called the Reagan, but I was going to video it this morning, but it wasn't as far along as what I thought it was. So they didn't have electricity hooked up and everything yet. But I did tour the Morgan. It is a beautiful home, and the community that's going to be over there is called Blue Heron Estates, and I believe they're going to have a pool and everything. I'm not sure exactly what the HOA is, but get with me. And I'm sure I can find out all the details for you. Hope you enjoy the tour and have a good day. Thanks.